Sanibonani bafethu once again. This is your boy Ukatla Khontari Namula aka Mr. Soweto Kavele Motseba aka Mr. Cool himself. Intwana semakhonje la kuplomo tsotsi la kujika khona ipoti. Udenka sforge ukuthi ngicela itori nisidlala ku Monopoly. Damn, Hotman ngizabafundisa ijozi. Welcome bafethu, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below to Soweto Sikethu. The most important thing is to click your membership button bafethu to be alert when we drop. Shout out to everybody who's been subscribing. I'm a subscriber yakhuphuka izinto zayenzeka nye episode last week uMandla kaDabe yayengekho concerning a club yabo. I don't wanna mention the clubs because I don't wanna drop names anymore because sebangithembisa ama threats bangithembisa ukungidubula.
I'm glad I was not here.
Yeah, I understand.
Bengekho guys.
Dog like bangithembisa into ezibhaya. But mari into engimangaza Hotman before ngisingena kuwe. I show mayiqala yabhala lapha ya disclaimer. Taki wena lo ready yabjump. Ulande mina. Maybe ngispende ready bangidlula. Yes, intwana introduction before ngikhiphe ezinye.
Awu so kwatelo kwat. Manje bawuthi sesiyaphenika.
Shita, tweka wena.
Sanibonani guys, welcome to Kota and Chill, a podcast where it gets real fast. Kota nothing is personal. Yekela nokutreatnisha untariyan tu. Don't do it. Okay, mina ke am a vibrant co-host uMadlakadlo Muhle ngeso lakhe umdlulo ongadla ijuba ngoba esaba ubuhle balo. Umfiso ongafi ofama sekuthanda yena ngakho ke uma ungibona othi msuthu.
So baba.
Hayi umsuthu. Zochazela every day.
Okay, so man. Why wena umswati manje sakazali sakho sinomsuthu sinamajuba. La kwenzakala.
Kuningi angithi uyazi ukuthi phela isibongo sami sasebukhosini. So ubukhosi makubo bakho yonke into yakhe emhlabeni amajuba, amasuthu, amavenda. Guys niyazi nonke nifola under mina.
Like under wena.
Yeah.
Akusina thina ama black American like what you can say man.
Yeah, there's nothing
you can do, man. Khona lami. Thanks for showing up, man. Thanks for coming. It's quite an honor. Mphethe umuntu okhulu nomuza kwenzakalayo. Salonga ukuthi uzele Khotman lami. Udla kuzini ke lo. Yeah, udla kuzini terrace.
Okay. Yeah, udla kuzini terrace.
Udla kuzini terrace umntana seParis. Akalala angadlanga amapilisi.
Angwadla amapilisi ngiyazi operate. Hayi angwadla amapilisi.
Yes. Umntana ugqoka iTurkish.
Ngisho ipilisi lekhanda.
Akajayive Danish.
How?
Ay
avela ngijayive Danish.
Ngithi
ilokuphela iqiniso lishoyo.
Rhyme. Like ngama rhyme.
Oh, ya rhyme.
Rhyming.
Inkinga uhle uba namalimi akuzwakala ukuthi uthi
rhyme.
Yabo.
Angithi nama bathi mana ama lips amakhulu ezinye izinto akwazi ukupronounce.
Oh.
Yabambeka ilimi.
Yeah.
Ngizobathi mafuna ukuthi I love you uthi mbaba phu.
Uzohambela zona lezi zinto lezo sikhulumayo. Uzahambela zona lezo zinto lezo.
Alimita kancane.
Yeah, bambu. So bafethu Khotman before ngijampela via ngicela ukubuza nene. Have you watched Kota and Chill?
Yeah, I've watched this episode ka Lentuzana kunabo sister abayi2 if I'm not mistaken.
Which one?
Ile othi afuna ukumention. Le othi the most recent ne?
You say the
I think
recent
so
one.
then beku ka Ike I've watched
Okay.
I've watched a couple
A lot.
Yeah, it's by yeah. Probably I watch, I support.
Ne.
Yeah. I subscribe and
Bluetooth?
like.
Yes.
Subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
Share support any. Amathekasi bayapusha i-mainstream media bafethu ifile nyana na kula ku right khona bafethu.
Yekelana ama TV bafethu senama smartphone.
Yeah.
We company ama TV. Yo. So Khotman lami ngicela ukubuza njengoba uyibukelile Kota and Chill ne.
Yeah.
Ngokubona kwakho.
Yeah.
What you are doing is you see there's like young black kids surrounding you. There's no one old la sibatala sonke. Yeah, there's no one old sibatala sonke.
Ngisathi ngiyabuza. Yazi ngithi ngiyabuza.
Isilungu sine network yaso.
Yeah.
Usaze ku one pass.
Lidiphithile dad.
Sajaja.
Yena ayakwini ku George. uGeorge uyajikelana.
Andana mina siqala ukuyela bro.
Hayi baba hamba uyi1.
No, but kumele understand South Africa has 11 official languages. Whether we are mixer wenzani as long as understand.
Yeah.
Siyabuwa. Kuhlusisa.
Even the sign language ungakhuluma then uthi sign language kumele sibambe.
Yeah, because vele lenya yazi.
Yeah.
isho ukuthini leyo
le nginokubona kunenye ichera me bengithola naye sign language mendlola ngebhasi beyenza kanje
oh what if inhlamba
ndoda
iyasho inabo buso
nami ngenza kanje shuthi yathukana
mina ngazi le ethi
asilonke
mina isign language ngazi le ethi
no vele angiyabona vele ufike vele uqalela
uqalela
ngisho ukudla
usavula phela ngithi
vulela
iphi kodwa vele ngithi ngifukudla
hayizoze ephone ngicela uqalule lazi nomunye yabo so wena njengoba ubukela ikoti entshini what's your take about ikoti entshini ngiyaqhekwa mina by the way ne bathi ngithinisha ama brand wabantu abanye abantu abafuna ukuza bathi mina ngiyabamoshela mara makaphuma eshowini umuntu wakhona ugaina something mara mabahlangene lezi scheme hawu Ntariyana vele uyamosha hawu ngayiko le podcast izokumoshela icareer
mara ngithi nawe uyazi bathi
I think ubani Winnie Khumalo
live my life
yeah
and you live
ngiyakhumbula bekayina into zakhe ziza pick up after aqeda ukuza I'm trying to remember some of them yabona yabo bro angeke unelise wonke umuntu
awusimali exactly and ukubona ayikho into ehlanganisa abantu njengenzondo once akuzonda siyazwana
baba ne common enemy
exactly
and ama facts ngeke siwabeke sonke etafuleni lo so khipha lesikhiphayo sishiye lesishiyayo you understand so bro when the Spanish grand bro
wow uncoma yena yi1
okay
ouch
sifile imbokodo hayi
ouch
bengiza mbokodo sister angithi
engijahile
when the Spanish namachita niyaphusha bafethu sister naye imbokotweni uyazi makune sister kuyadingeka ukuthi anifakele iorder ukuthi abafethu anenziswani kumele aniphathele noswazi
exactly nalo lapha
ukuthala iphethe
yes vela bomama vele
nemo
aziyakhala
ayasikonka ngemopo so khotman la mai yabona mangikhuluma nawe kanje it's just like to unwind yabo to make you feel at home yabo to make you feel welcome ungasaba ama camera yabo so manje esenza nisifakele emandleni bengicela batshele igama isibongo udume ngani nomlando nyani bese sijampile emaphepheni
okay mina ngumphokahle vele ndofaya ngumuntu ozisipanelayo ngiyabhayisa nangayibi but ngenza noma yini ezibonga inyuku
ingene ubhayisa singajump izinto
ngibhayisa amateki it's important nalele engilifakile
asihle uthini manje
babone
original
original
ngibhayisa original yabo ngibhayisa original straight bro
genuine leather thingile so
so compare
as fun genuine leather
straight so 2008 ngiyengaba introduced to the media side of things
okay
kunelinye uCrotman bathi umcolisi uyayazi White House yase Middlelands umcolisi Duma
bengijive ngize ngilahla iskipi
wasithatha singamajidekasi wasifaka nenye ingama labathi uBen bekayenza ama DVD lawa wes whole
okay
you understand adila ne pirates you understand so uBen besipusha writing le pirates you understand singisa ama writing le ama original DVDs was South Africa then besilisi pirates there was film publication board there was SARS, there was customs.
Okay.
I end up ngihamba naye umcolisi lo uDuma the owner of White House siya eDTI nalopen. Bathi bazosinikeza ifunding but in a way ifunding yakhona ukulwisana nepirates lebe ikhona. Beyibhekise the owner of this Black Sand DVDs. You understand? So Tina we were not going to get much since it's explainer lawyer baba. But ngayiyeka writing le endleleni ngaphusha ezinye izinto so waqhamuka opportunity ku Moja Love 2020 ne they wanted ama shows for us to pitch ama shows so I sent an email about a proposal ishow lebe ngifuna kuyenza it was 12 June mangisend email 2020
right
yabona ishow le bengifuna focus on little people yabona abanye abantu bathi amadwafu. I'm sorry if I'm using the wrong name, you understand?
It is what it is into
so to focus ama challenges they are facing and nokuthi how they are supported by government nomphakathi ukuthi babona abantu how are we supporting them. Nama challenges okudrobheni namanye ama other facilities yabo. So that was the show, but since ngibuya end of fire u Lucky Boy Mtshali ulo baba lo bengifuna ukufocus ku family yakhe because he's one of the people that they've been in the media space for the longest time. You understand?
Amazon Lucky Mtshali
ubani Lucky Mtshali
ulo kumruti watsotsi bekamfishana umfundisi
ngazile ukuthi ungibuzela ukuthi ufuna ukungichazela. Ngiyabonga kodwa
intwana yami yazi umuntu understand ukuthi intwana yami angazi ngitshela kangaki
mara ezinye ngibuza la interested khona. Ngiyabonga ukungazisa ngoLucky Mtshali.
Thathelapho
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
yazi kunjani ne
sengiyamazi Lucky Mtshali
mase ngicala kuba ne family bond ngithi siyabhekelana ngicabanga mina ngikhuluma noLucky Mtshali akamazi ngisho buzo ukuthi mude mfishane ku media kanti usilinganela ne mic
and uzwele little people manje usayifuna le little people kahle.
Okay.
Samamela
so ngingasenda i-proposal yami. Mangicela ukuyisenda i-proposal yami ukuthi no ngizospanisa i-focus yami izoba ku Baba Lucky Boy Mtshali yabo the family yakhe, then we'll bring other little people as ishow yabo. So king I send the proposal 2020 these people much love 20 let me just get
2020
ngibheka yona le email because yonke into la it's not an allegation. Vele show yami bayithathile. I'm not alleging.
So mawuceda uku-explain uzofunda le ka-2020
okay
ukuthi utheni yakwazi ukufunda nje
no i-network iku-2 bar
ku-2 bar mina misaleka
ngo-2020 12 April 2021 that's when they send a reply ukuthi angeke basebenzisane nami, angeke bayenze show efana nale ngi-propose. You understand? But already after 3 days ngibona i-trailer. I-trailer ivela emzini kaBaba Lucky Boy Mtshali. Ama camera and mangimbuza uthi yena he was not there, he was called. Ababatshelanga ne family, they just rocked up ngama camera bashuthi family yakhe yabo. Then makangitshela uthi bamfonelile, then he came to ukubuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. They said no, na i-proposal sifuna ukwenza so yabo.
So ngithola ukubuza ke ne manje emakhaya ngifuna sambe ngamaphepha because abantu sina ma special guest yabazi like abo advocate Brad Ike who can handle this matter masingabicela kahle kahle. There are more people who are watching so I want you to read from the first email and before beningakhi ninonke.
Okay, mina kule Giants of the City bekumele igama layo the luckiest family ngoba bengithathe igama lika Baba Lucky Boy Mtshali ukuthi that family is the luckiest family. So bona bathi Giants of the City abayishintsha yabo
baze bafaka ispice.
So in terms of the stolen IPs there's a lot of us, but currently ne laba esikhulumayo ukuthi sifuna ukulisa lento lene si 9 ne ngizocala from the top. iFake Gobela eka Sihlahla Sedlozi uThuli.
Fake Gobela
eka Sihlahla Sedlozi uThuli. And uThuli uye waye Moja Love ne waya ukuyokhuluma nabo bathi angeke baze bashuthe makangi explainela because of bekunama COVID restriction and whatsoever. So the second show eyami ngizoyikhipha ngoba sesikhulume ngayo kune umakhelwane. Umakhelwane
bayala kumakhelwane
straight ibonda lo awuphule le bonda liye phezulu ingubo yakho iwela ngayo.
Umakhelwane
umakhelwane usibulelo Vacu ne
Sibulelo Vacu
the umakhelwane. Then i-success stories with Obrita uyabona le success story ukuthi akumathi ama business and what uyishayile
yakabani
eka Thabang Mangwe. Then ikasi culture eka Thabang Mangwe futhi una 2 ne no Thuli nayo kunenye program ishow enye futhi una 2 na. Then ku Raf eka Rozani Munyayi ku Raf bayithathile ngathi bayisa ku Showmax or somewhere but
Okay.
abayithengise but iyasho ukuthi it's a Moja Love
Okay,
program
alright, yeah.
you understand uthi Clever ekaThabiso Makhetha
He bantu.
uThabiso Makhetha bekasebenza eMoja Love he was
Okay.
a producer for usebenze bonke nabo Jukujuku nabo
Alright,
bani bani for the longest time yabo so umshayile aloko aspana naye yabo
Yes,
imanyonyoba
Bafuna ukuhamba.
ekamangaliso Matsive yabo imanyonyoba ekamangaliso Matsive yabo so sibhaya abanye bayeza kancane kancane bafuna ukusijoina and I don't know I should mention it ne
Okay.
Mention everything.
okay
Yeah,
we went on live no Piwe ne if I should mention it
Yes.
Ungamention.
Yeah, you-
As we are quite in chill.
yeah so masikhuluma nga riding le no Piwe siloko sikhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani someone called watshela uPhiwe ukuthi uzom-offer 10,000 angasasihost asikhiphe
Oh.
yeah straight wathi 10,000 straight
Yethani nakithi.
le ngabe live ngabe nani banikeza 20 or 30
Awayeleza, soyidla nawe, soyidla nawe.
Masiqedile drop and bathi 20 sayikhipha.
yeah
Niyadlala never.
nithathe bafethu
Ngeke.
nithathe
Phela yazi masithatha kusho ukuthi senzani? Sikuthengisile.
Hayi simthengisanga asikhiphi. Siyayidla nje imali
no
kuphela.
imali ibhaya but ayizi kubantu la kumele
Aba-right.
bayithole
Bayithole khona.
yeah diamond mfethu ukhona ukunikeza abantu inyuku but thina la sifuna bathu bari batantshele harigaya understand
So afetsa gaya umgayile Piwe chelete.
no Piwe ukhani urila ka say yeah ukhani
Yo.
Shout out Piwe one time.
yeah no thanks
That's
lena
how-
kuyamlebuka
yeah,
mfethu
yeah.
hayi
Ngifuna ukuthi shout out mara 10,000.
At the hour.
Yeah, okay.
But shout out to Black Excellence.
Yeah,
We are not doing it for the money anymore.
No,
we
Eva.
are doing it for the craft.
yeah to build each other
Yeah.
no ever and also we must never not forget where we come from
Yes.
mina angikhuluma abanye bathu babangathi babuye hambe babakile batlamo but sekiyatsho re ke tlo eda kota until as plekekile ka tlamo yona yeah and I'm not saying if ke manager uthola nyuko yaka ke tlo ithola tlamile ngakho utlonga of course these are not allegations you understand yeah no really ke bale so that the viewers at home can hear ne lena ukabala ka
Okay, so
singamla
before ubala lapho manje njoba seni9 nihlangane kanjani kuphi
social
benzakalani?
media masiloko sikhala
So now uyakhala nomunye comment asinami nomunye bese he bani.
sesiyahlangana
Bani
siyabona
all nje
ukuthi hayi lo muntu sibaningi mfethu you know Moja Love is a crime scene bro waka ne it's a crime scene about maybe 90% of the shows they are stolen IPs like Moja Love is a crime scene that guy is making money that's not black excellence in Twitter and Obrita you understand you can
Okay,
whatever he drives Obrita imali yethu whatever he eats he wears le bana ba gae ba koskela tse posh schools inuka rona
Imali yenu.
yeah
That's not
imali
right. Ayikho
And,
right
bro,
leyo.
ishow yambe ku prime time I think bengena 1930 ne ngoba ina 4 seasons Giants of the City on average ad a1 for 30 seconds it's about 100 and between 110,000 and 135,000
120.
yeah 120
Yeah.
per ad
Yeah.
ungitshela ukuthi ama ad ayingaki
Cabanga.
eshowini
Cabanga.
wenze malini lo
Wenze malini.
Ene akusuyi one phela sikhuluma
Sibaningi.
ngabantu abaningi.
Yeah.
Uyenzani yonke le mali engaka?
yabo
Madlakadla last week kushubile asazi.
Wona usesendabeni last week. Sisendabeni serious la uyekela abantu last week.
Ubano oni Moja Love.
uObrita
Obrita.
yeah uObrita
We oni Moja Love.
yakhe straight I don't want to talk abanye I've heard ukuthi ama shareholders yabo
Okay, okay.
ngifuna ukuqonda ngqo
On a straight
kumuntu. Yeah,
straight.
Qonda ngqo.
Yeah,
Ne.
yeah.
Yazi I right into mayiqonda ngqo yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, number fethe emakhaya lapha people khona awufuni into yami.
Yeah.
Nami ngiqonda ngqo ngenisabi. Noma ningangisendelana ngenisabi.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngiyanisaba cause
Ufuna ukuyifunda or ngiyifunde
ayifunde.
okay yeah
Manje isandla sithe uya DJ.
Ngimopha wona wena ufuna ukuletha one ngimopha u2.
Okay.
no ngifuna ukuthi angilekelele phela nge-English phela kumele share English le kumele si share
Okay.
siyasiyela
Esigela abantu bebantswembi ngesigela. Nabo.
oh yibo lapha okay
Yibo abantu bebantswembi.
Yeah.
Mina bafethu umsebenzi wami ukwenza ama advert Understand ulethe advert ngiyayifunda endlini ngiyayimemorize ngizangana paper out. Leza bo unprepared speech.
Asisebenzi.
Ngathola
Actually,
0 out of
unprepared
100.
speech, Lena. It's just reading.
Unprepared.
Hayi into esephethela ayifuni lo muntu lo.
Okay.
Ungamconfuse.
Okay.
Shuthi nje iphepha nje lasondela kuyashuba.
Straight. Ngiqale ne i-date 12 June 2020 1441.
Yeah.
Hi Moja Love family, I have an idea of a show focusing on little people with dwarfism brackets, and the first family I was going to focus on Ntate Lucky Boy Mjali, who has been in the television industry for a long time, and coming from a stone throw away from his house might help to even convince him to get involved. The show might focus on the daily lives of the Mjali family, but it will highlight the difficulties faced by little people in South Africa, as I have never seen a show or never heard of campaigns highlighting their challenges.
Okay.
Siyaphela isilungu la ne? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no. Thank you. Sisibuyela ku reply yabo ne.
Okay.
2020.
So we tell Lapaya it was on the 12th of June.
12 June 2020.
Okay,
Yeah.
2020.
Okay. Babuya 12 April. Angithi sebashuthile train.
Oh.
12 April 2021. Good day. I trust you are well. Thank you for contacting Moja Love with your proposal. At this time, we are not accepting any proposal and will not be entering into any agreements for the production of this idea. We wish to remind you that ideas are universal and many ideas appear to be similar in concept but differ greatly in implementation. The development of a television show or broadcast on our platform takes significant amount of time, including the development of a formal written proposal, B, the development of a specification of a format including duration. Selection of characters, selection and choice of presenter profile, etc. See the recording of one or more pilot show. Keep watching Moja Love. Bayangishaya mabaqeda bathi sibheke sokushaya. Keep watching Moja Love.
Keep watching Moja Love.
Bayangishaya streamer sibheke.
Sokushaya against a trick mabathi it's universal. Yabeza laba bathi.
Yeah.
They typically they mean there's nothing new under the sun.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ungacabanga ukuthi idea yakho lesiyenzayo.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu angaza ngale idea.
Yeah.
Mara uyipropose kuqala.
Yeah.
Ne.
Wow, hey, babe nesikhathi sonke shoot before bak respond. Yeah, exactly as I shilo. Yeah. So ufuna ngifunda nami?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one is the first one? Is 12.
2020 ne 12.
Noma ngayifunda hapi, noma ngayifunda hapi.
Okay, yeah. It's good day. Okay, no, irresponsible. Hi, Moja Love family. I have an idea of a show focusing on little people with dwarfism. And the first family I was going to focus on is Ntate Lucky Boy Mjali, who has been in the television industry for a long time. And coming from a stone thrown away from his house might help to even convince him to get involved. So exactly as I found here, response, good day, I trust you are well. Thank you for contacting Moja Love with your proposal. At this time, we are not accepting any proposals and we will not be entering into any agreements for the production of this idea, okay, etc., etc.
Yeah. Shooting izinto lezi bafethu they are not
and ama email ne
yeah straight
sendele bona straight nabo you can see ukuthi from
email yabo
proposals@mojalove.co.za and then it's Mpokhan Katle ne
yeah
Katle yes yeah. Exactly now my email evidence ama screenshots now
everything is clear then lawa
wasondeze ilawyer lengizokhuluma naye ngizoyifaka naye ngizontshela ukuthi kwenzekeleni ngale ngelawyer le bengicela ukuthi ngiassist
eliphela lokuqala
okay le ile lithi.
So did you like idea yakho uvele nje wayicabanga wayibhala phansi and wa send email
ngasend email ngoba ngaleso sikhathi bebavule ama proposals
also bekuyibo babathele
bathe letha yeah kanti bavulela ukuthi bazosishaya esishaya isibani bonke labantu laba bonke labantu laba ngibabalayo la
isizini
yibo bashawe sishawe ngesikhathi esiyi-1
ushuthi kumo
that's why ngithi black bus
ushuthi kule channel leya kule season open window yokushaya
yeah
na yazi yini sizayo sometimes as soon as une idea never mind a business ayani copyright idea yakho or do i trademark because uyazi ukuthi idea yini intellectual property angithi so ungayi-owna i-concept ye-idea but i-idea sokuthi likhona for example mhlampe kune storyline se-romance untombazane hlangana nomfana bayajola bayashada happily ever after and then when i-idea yakho kuzoba ukuthi mhlampe intombazana mhlampe umuntu wasemakhishini and then umjitha mhlampe is the owner of the house picture bahlangana leyo idea eyakho uyayi-owna so bona bayenze lokho lapho
okay ithi i-reply ngokureply kuleyo ama-ideas are-universal ne but angeke ngithi ube ne-idea yokulanda uLucky Boy Mtshali
exactly
they are not the little people
special
first part angeke ufeature yena nefamily yakhe as the way mina ngikhulume ngakhona uproposal
and yakwatisa lento yazi
izinto zi-universal enjani leyo ulanda the very same characters engithe uzozilanda ngabe you've used different
another short person
another little person it was something zokuthi hayi bangishayile vele I don't have i-proof enough you understand
as lento leyo ifana nani yakhumbula size si-argue lapha ngaphandle nge-acrimony leya movie leya ukuthi ubani wrong between umjisa nentombazana yakhumbula lo mjisa maseka successful wenzeni wenze the same thing bekayiplane nalo yakela nomunye exactly yonke into cabanga ke uyo wrong yabo ukuthi beng right
mara lento ikhuluma le abantu ayikabi bafe people le abantu abangalingani labaya bayalingana ayikabi on icabe sengiyakhuluma mina i-cent 2 cent yami yabo maka lento ikhulumayo i-typical example that's happening kubo sisi bethu nabo anti bethu ubantu babona ukuthi labantu kudala bakhoroza laba oyi-1 abane-Benz sekahamba nalo ne-Benz
okay manje kubuhlungu ngoba nayi evidence iyaziphethe
so eyamaloya ikuphi
eyamaloya there's this media lawyer guy uRudolph ne
inesilungu esikhulu
Rudolph Baloyi ngimsendele i-email ngo-January 2024 2 January timbona good evening council I need your assistance with regards to a dispute with Moja Love, as they've asked for proposal and I've submitted my idea via email and stating the characters I will use for the reality show Lucky Boy Mtshali's family, and I was surprised they went with the show without paying me for my idea, and what's worse, they shot the reality trailer, they sent an email stating they won't be doing such a reality show. Please find the attached proof. Proof ya yonke nama video nani yabo. If possible, can we agree on a percentage after winning the matter settlement, since I'm not financially in a position to pay for this matter. You understand? Nangu yabuya uputi Rudolph la
ithi ngifunde le
okay iva kune reply
yakhe
mangnya
what's real okay
Tango good morning councillor, thank you for your response. I will hear from you regarding Mpho Khatla.
Pheka nale kune la sho ukuthi use Cape Town.
Yikafuna ukufunda.
Mina ngithi half something.
Okay.
I'm happy to assist, currently in Cape Town on holiday, but we can have a full discussion next week Monday. Regards. Ubani gama lakhe?
Baloyi, Rudolph Baloyi.
Yo, Rudolph.
Yeah.
Sent from iPhone. Nge-2 zaka January 2024.
Yeah.
Sent from my iPhone.
Yeah, ibhaliwe ngo-4.
Okay.
9 minutes past 4.
Wabuya ke ubhuti ne mase kaceda indaba ka Rudolph. uRudolph urepresente uthathe my proof wa approach iMoja Love.
Okay.
It's my knowledge ne kule the whole situation. Wafika uMoja Love, Moja Love kunomuntu yakhala uyaclaima ukuthi i-Giants of the City yakhe ilakhe na iproof anayo bakhuluma no-operator ukusho ukuthi whatever i-agreement abenayo umangalelo umuntu lo seka representa iMoja Love ku Asena Matter kunenye show bathi Asena it deals
bana.
ngabantu like ngathi mawuboshiwe you were
Okay,
wrongly
okay.
accused and you went to jail, something like
okay.
that.
I think I see
Yeah,
that.
there's a guy who's a lawyer, I think he's from Durban.
Okay.
Yeah, ngoba I think umuntu omthetho ngathi uyayifaka naye allegedly
Yeah.
ibe kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ibalulekile le.
Yeah, I understand.
Buza mina.
So Zaya Durban, I think he lost the matter. He brought the matter la Joburg High Court. At the High Court, he was Mojalas was represented by 2 lawyers. One of them was this Rudolph Baloyi. You understand? Makaqeda ngibona iphepha lithi uRudolph Baloyi beka representer iMojalaf. Ithi mosbi mani ngicela ukuthi angisize seka representer iMojalaf on the other matter.
Awuthi ngilalele zami.
Should bashaye indaba ye 10k yabo.
Yeah.
Ayiphinda.
So uyabona ukuthi izamba kanjani?
Shoot wena right we.
Yeah.
Wena lento ilwela ivari.
Yeah.
Bese kulule kubhadala.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Bese kuthiwa after maqeda ukwina writing after a month uza kimi nge11 2024 uyangisendela good day sir, did you ever proceed with your matter? Regards ngamsendela email ngathi uzongirepresent ukhuluma nami as i-lawyer yeMojalaf or i-lawyer le beyizongirepresent. Yana ngoba ngikubonile urepresenter iMojalaf wathula zanga sabuya kimi so lokathulile nathi
Since athulile uchawile imali.
yeah
For sure
so
sephelile
it's
manje.
difficult to trust. You understand? It's difficult asazi ukuthi sithembe bani namachita lawa amanye abothabiso everyone laba bala nabo they've had their own lawyers nabo bayahamba nabo but endleleni nje vele kumoshakala. Yeah
Angisa abantu bacabanga ukuthi
we are assuming since kunale uphiwe wathi uzonikezwe 10,000. You understand? So everyone uyabhadala but the rightful people la kumele babhadala ababhadala.
Rather uthathe idea yomuntu at least involve yabo mhlambe if ufuna ukumshaya ngeskelem at least do something umenze mhlambe I own idea yakhe mhlambe ufaka i-team yakho hayi ukuthi uthatha the whole thing akatholi ne1 rand. Uhlalile lo muntu ebusuku wayenza planning business proposal. It's a lot for ukuthi ingavele nje by snatch just like that. Ayikho fair.
And ibhlungu because wena ubhadela abantwana bakho.
Nokubhlungu manje usuyayibukela naye. Exactly the way yakhona.
My sister, I went ama-season lawa amanye ngwabhekanga ngabheka ukuqala like mangicala ngiyibona e-TV ngithi kunama writing le ama-highlight ngivele ngishintshe inhliziyo yami blind mara enye awuthi lo uthabiso lo bekasifanele eMojala uthi no you must keep on watching your shows because angithi kumele ucheke izinto kumele ucheke nama-ad alaphaya so that nasecourt usho ukuthi hayi i-ad so if kudlala i-clientele kudlala what uyabhala ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso beyidlala. These people are raking money, are making money.
A lot of money. A lot.
Forces in yonke bayenze imali. Abangayi half of the revenue they've made. Angithi 50-50. Angisanegotiate. Yeah. Angisanegotiate. Yabo. Uxolani lo ex-rip. Yeah, angithi bebayi2. Uxolani Khumalo noxolani Maphanga. Babagayile mfethu inyuke yabo. Ngoba uyabasaba ngoba ngimkhutswayo. Bona babathelele ngathi igoranyana ubagayile mfethu babagayile for ama IP wabo why thina ngasikhathi
why
you understand ubagayile uqolani nangu uyasho la bro na uyasho straight khuphula ivolume la
uxolani Maphanga then sangena ke Mojalaf mina no ex uxolani Maphanga ushaya ex repo ne yeah same scheme vele. Yeah, sikhula sonke and some bench sure. Yeah, and le ex-repo le yithi sayipicture eMojalaf. It was our IP then sababhayisela yo. Yeah, then untwana ngathi achubela ntwana mina ngizogibela isitimela lesi crime. And then i-writing bese iqalile sizokuthola. No, bekuseso uyajola. Then ubusibona na kuyajola. Yeah, nabo jubjub. Yeah. Then mina no ex athi ngibona assistant ishow yethu. Then sapicture ku-obza wasicoma. Then yaqala i-ex-repo then ngachifta ngaqedelela i-qualification yami e-mining then ngabuya afterwards ngizoshaya isizokuthola before siqhubeka nesizokuthola i-ex-repo ID yakho nize kanjani okay
shaphu ngayivala uyabona ukuthi bayavuma ukuthi i-IP yabo ubahafile for i-IP yabo
wena wahafanga for i-IP
angihafanga nabanye abahafanga. And I'm not alleging, even if Obrita wangayibheka nama lawyer wakhe, this is not an allegation. it's proof. There's proof in black and white. Directly, I'm not. It's not allegation. I'm not alleging. Brita is doing a dark and type. Nabantu bakhe ne Moja Love. That's why Moja Love is a crime scene. There's no black excellence. Ukuthi nje vele DSTV because Minister Tin McKenzie is aware of this.
Yeah.
A lot of these prominent media people, they are aware ukuthi vele sishayiwe kunabantu abacomplaina. And every time Minister masithi siyamthola sikhuluma naye uyaziba. You understand? Uyaziba. And uvala neminyango ukuthi kube nabantu abazosihosta. Yabona that's why ngithi I was skeptical about coming because ngicabanga ukuthi nani mhlambe you are connected to abanye abantu ku media ukuthi hey kunomuntu okhala ngeMoja Love bazothi ngam host lo because everywhere angifuni ukukhuluma babantu amabizo more than thing they are closing the channel to expose this thing.
You know what's happening hayi kabi.
Yeah.
Mina ngithanda idetail leso abantu bangangizonda kahle.
Yeah.
Yaba abobani vela bemoya kubo bebangavuni.
Yazini it's ingakhulumi it's iyeke leyo yeah but uPhiwe is the first person to risk ukuthi as host ku life yakhe hence baze bamgani bathi bafuna ukumgaya inyuku wathi angifuni you understand naye that's why into zakhe ezivale kanje abantu abasipanda ngeVAR mfethu nani angithi into zenu zizovaleka but ngizofela iqiniso ngizoshola VAR mararara lesho VAR than luru rekiwa because whatever lo nayo incane noma unekare khroto rencane as long ungana umuntu okhalayo uyithenge enyuku yakho ujulukile uneVAR noma ulala peaceful akekho umuntu okhala ukuthi hayi lo ngithathele ini or urutle bani the question ukuthi uBrita ulala kanjani kusho ukuthi cruel uBrita and cruel is an understatement is evil you understand evil in a sense ukuthi uthathe ishow yami angifuni ukukhulumela abanye already sengiba nemile nabo if they want to come to this platform bazozikhulumela bazikhulumele bona bazothi ama allegations if bafuna they are alleging Moja Love has taken their shows. I'm not alleging, I'm saying they have taken. It's not an allegation.
And there's proof stamp.
There's proof.
And yazi ngokutshela iVAR njengoba ukanje ku social media ama judge akufail abantu abaningi bayakufail manje manje abheka in the current times abantu balwela abantu baka social media ungathola iclip yakho ku Twitter ulwela ibreak Twitter ulwela abantu baka Instagram manje akusana gate mfethu ama fans sesifana nebhola yase South Africa akuna fans uyadlula nje zazenzakalelo yabo so wena from njengoba uzile showini manje as abantu abakubhekile as ama supporters wakho as nathi eyiphi into ezingafaka input empilweni yakhe ezingathi sifuna ukukusiza ngayo fully firstly sifakile sikuplay platform
ngiyabonga bafethu
yabona mamela
masithi ngiyabonga bafethu bayazi thank you bafethu everyone involved
ngiletha kwasani mfethu mina like a platform yethu it's all about giving back to the voiceless you understand because abantu who have stories they don't have a place where they can say whatever they want to say here you can like mfethu ungavula inhliziyo yakho yonke you understand so what can we help you with thina abantu ababukele thina abantu abakhostile nalabantu ababukele la ngaphandle into okhala ngayo ufuna ilunge ufuna nokuzenza ezinye bese si wrap up show because isizwile bafethu from yena khona uthi Moja Love
it's a crime scene 90% about stolen shows. There's no black excellence.
So where can we submit our shows?
In terms of submitting show, there's no way currently. In terms of there's in Mzansi Magic. They had something, but but they yenzele abantu rural people. You understand mostly. Now they're catering for people who are in the rural area because banalento lekuthina sla isn't as easy. Mara at least kuyapusheka. You understand? Kuyapusheka.
Kuyapusheka. Futhi nawe bakuphusha along the way.
So in terms of the question yakho ukuthi ngifuna usizo lunjani. Nakethoka someone who's trustworthy, who's an attorney. Mina naye sokhuluma ukuthi uhafana kanjani, you understand? Ngoba angifuni ukuthi ngibe forward ngithi it's a clear cut case with the proof I have ngoba angiyena umuntu omthetho ngoba icourt nani ukuveze ukuli evidence akufani. But ngicabanga ukuthi this is a clear cut case, you understand? Bangirutlile labantu laba basebenzise yonke into enginayo ngicela nje iMoja Love whatever 50% they've made 50-50. You understand? Bangayi inyungu le bayenzile from the ad for all the revenue. They just need to say okay, for season Giants of the City na imali esiyenzile sugaya half. and they must credit me. You
And
understand?
kufeka kanjalo.
Yeah,
I mean kube kuya ngaye for sure ngabe uthatha the whole thing.
Yeah.
Why but I mean
Yeah.
cause vele bayithathe wrongfully from the start.
Vala namafoni wabo.
So ngiyangabona no ayikhumana. You understand as a
Awuthiyami.
Yeah. If ungaringa naye, if he's keen ngoba umuntu one background ye arts food, you understand? And he knows other people langazi he can pull strings or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Then or angayibheka le case le ayibone
Ayibheke.
njengomuntu omthetho ukuthi is it a winnable case
Yeah,
or
okay.
you understand? Sibone ukuthi sipusha anyone who's in there, but the problem is that's why ngithi lama lawyer ngiwatholile. Angazi inhliziyo yami ingisa ku Ike then no Zola Majavu. You understand?
Okay,
Those
yeah.
are the people whom I trust. You understand?
Landeni inhliziyo yabo.
Yeah. So any other lawyer angisathembi bro.
No.
Yeah, I sesithengiswe kakhulu.
Senifile.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyazi yini engimangazayo for the fact ukuthi baloko babhadala abantu endleleni
Yeah.
yabo but when uyayilwela into yakho ba like
Yeah.
uyazini ngeze ngifike la ngiyakhona bayabhadalwa ababhadalwa yeah because sometimes vele akusi yonke iminyanga ezovalwa nje wena kokoda you never know mhlambe khona la uzovuleleka khona
Yeah.
mhlambe now this is a door where qala khona ukuthi manje nawe uthole imiphumelo I mean idea yakho konke you had sleepless nights kubhlungu vela ayiwani umuntu velula kanjani like asase umsebenzi womuntu nje kanjalo ekinga manje kubhlungu ngani because yabona lama company amakhulu kanje they don't even sign ama NDA
Yeah.
abayibheki nokuyibheka bavele bathi wamoshela isikhathi get to business but iba smart mhlawumbe uzomthola umuntu right wenza izinto ngendlela proper yeah mara ku fair if bakunika 50% at
Yeah.
least
Angilwi kube ioffer
Yeah.
and kungabi offer le ukuthi phela bangabuya bajike bathi bengiba blackmail. You understand?
Yeah.
Phela lela Grootman lislam blind. Line strat yabo.
Yeah.
Umuntu wesuku but umuntu
Kibana
wasestrateni.
Okay.
You understand? So nami ngi-outer Sendofire ngi-outer se-Gomore Alexander ngiyasazi strat. You
Yeah.
understand? Yeah, so ngiyazi ukuthi ingcondo kalela Grootman ngonda Grootman lela sekithwe blind. Yeah, kuyambona ukuthi umtho functiona ya.
amara la kuna escape la
Yeah. So akanga 50% re bue out of court everything re lokise le ko court gore ke mga 50% di money ra hlukana lena simple.
Ne.
Yeah.
So Godman lapho kayebhekile bafethu. Godman ufunile 50% kolento ayenzile because lento enisebenzisa generate revenue and akatholi next. Ufuna iattorney ezomsiza thina ngiphethe one by my side. Obra Ike
Please ba.
uyozokusiza yabona. So usikhulumela istory seMoja Love bafethu. So
ningayi kuyombhadala
even
singakafiki
mfethu
yo ayibani
si-share so even ne-story bafethu before usisa kuMoja Love make sure ukuthi i-paperwork yakho i-right ukuthi noma bangakukapa yonke into izoba moja yabo so into ezizoyenza Godman lami i-case yakho isazohamba isikhathi eside usazobuya usitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani yabo
Straight ba.
so kwamanje ubhizi ngani for now
No kwamanje ngiyaspana yabo. Ngapha ngiyathengisa njengoba ngisho ngithi ngithengisa impahla ya mina ukulandela original bafo.
Ne.
Lento esestore ngibuya nayo straight. Noma
Yeah.
ngibhayisa ama parallel imports yabo.
yini le
ama import lawa yabona le teki le i-Turkish le angina right yokulibhayisa mina South Africa but ngiyakhona ukul-importa kuma supplier wabo
Okay,
straight you understand
okay, yeah.
so according to lo mama lo nalo baba owner le store lesi Turkish bathi bona banama right you understand
Yeah.
so but mina ngine right engithole ku owner of this brand you understand
Okay,
yeah hence ngikwazi ukuyithengisa ngithola any brand mina angeke ungitshele ngebrand bro leyo singalahlana phansi bro hayi ngeke
Lalela.
phela ukhuluma ntariyana
bro ithi ngikutshele
wena faka uSpongeBob
ama brands
Fabi Sponge.
mawufuna ama brands ayenziwa eBangladesh eIndia eChina eTurkey iAdidas neNike inokurana factory line A1 ngapha factory A1 ngayi iAdidas ngayi Nike iNike ayina factory lama brand akhroth lawa ama Louis Vuitton nama Vatvat awana factory bro bana la bazigota kunama quality control they just send this jacket and say hey ngicela ningenzele le jacket le kuze quality control icheck okay everything is sharp bayi-check bathi okay senzele 100 pieces senzela 100 pieces kule so that's how they work yabo so mina mangibuya nezinto straight
la uzithola khona
yeah ngibuya nento straight
Marilinen boma Floshem Italian lezithole Italy
bro wami nase Italy ngiyafika bro
uyafika nase Italy
bro wami mina nyaya Orkan straight mina nyaya straight Orkan
discount
ukuthi nje ngigcine nge-COVID ukuvaya yabo ngiyengaba ne-flop nyana nje so ngisamisile nyana no but in the next couple of months ngizovaya ngifuna ukuvaya kakhulu ngiprefer amakuyisama ngithi from June July ngoba kuyabanda ngale bro kuyabanda no not banda i-Europe yeah i-Europe nje iyabanda ne-Asia ziyabanda bro ziyabanda
fantastic
mabo Poland
blind
sesnowini
yo amala ngine-jacket
unebhumba alekushaya babi snow lapha asisijwayelanga futhi la South Africa
thina makuyisnow lese sethu lese ama-ice la
mara kuyafana yazi bro ngiyafana mawungaya ngada uhlwe wena phathwana yeah cause unalo route omo plane uhlorana udiyabuya unsa jacket
yo
akiri wathiwa bro ka wethi business awubasheni irikuchela awunale 5 days waziwa 5 day first day awufihla urelax ufonela di-supplier uri ke fihlile these 2 days o kopantsha di-supplier uri o tlo lokisa le di-cargo tsa hao uri o tlo vaisa ntho tsa hao jwang o understand yeah so ha ona nako tsatsi le o tlatla mo tlaela leja
ha o ba bone strateng
ha o tlo ba bona ntsha
ba jwang
ha ke thupa ntate
bashapa
ari kuitsenga tare kitu
bashapa
hayi blind
baphala bamzansi
hayi abaphali bamzansi bamzansi alebala
flag phakeme
alebala
so bafethe di batho tsa gago di ranger from ke bokae
teki ke 1.8 to 2000 rand ne
and isibukeka comfortable
go so bong o tlaya then o iponele price ya bona ke tlo ba bue
7,000
akubatu no ka shopo daki maximum is 2,350 if I'm not mistaken
malini
2,350 the maximum but na ke khepile between 1.8 depending on the design and what because for na le tse di na le mirror finish so na I'm of an age where I can wear mirror finish. Yeah, so I'm trying to limit izinto. Yeah,
so abantu abafuna ukureacha who wanna help you, email yakho maybe, Facebook account, TikTok, all social media platforms.
Okay, zedingeli wala phela okay mara no I'm young old phela kena le 41 nje
umogolo 41
yeah
41
ba uyiboni 41 lapha
mina futhi 45
never Tariana
umuntu ubone elanga ka 41
social media platform Facebook is my name as it is Gift Mpokhahle akere no ne ba batla or gift mangamlaska ba botsoro who's this Mpo so akere rona ba ga di ma 80s rena le mabizonyana mangamla akse uri ke le remove jo ampro
account tools
please
what's onka smart card ubona da
bona
manje unochaza isikhathi eside
ubathola
photocopy uma ikhipha kwa photocopy usele
akasekho
Mpho Makhahle
hayi
Sharpie babaqale bathi smart card ukhipha iphepha
hayi bare waste
angeke click bro wami okay I Facebook is Gift Mpokhahle then ku I don't remember bathini Instagram yami ne TikTok akikhumbuli ngazi Facebook then email address is gm.giftmpho then khahle@gmail.com cell phone number voice call it 063078599 then WhatsApp is 0843465084 yeah
iPhone nifuna ukuganga ngenamba
nifuna ukumshare
asitsheli nini
ukumshare
ngabaqomi
ne but you age like wine
straight
mase bakufona
usesifera ukhona endlini but
mina plus sebazwile ukuthi imoja love yabo
yeah
abazoza
so thina la yo mara mele sizongela plan lokwenza ama concept like singawathengisa ama concept siwalisa yabo
Yeah,
Yena
yeah.
lesikhulumisayo.
No, ungawari ngina something on
Pipeline.
Hi bro, nginezinto ezisolid but soringa.
Sizoringa.
Ukuthi ngishoda ngalezi zinto lezi kuphela.
Siza
You understand?
kulungisa.
Yeah.
Zikhona nazo zibheke.
Yeah, straight. So ringa bro. Yeah.
Zihamba yabo.
Straight.
So bafethu, this is from me to you. Nizwile ngemoja lapha bafethu, if you're creative, try using YouTube rather, or try using something yabo ezokugeneratela i-network ezongena ku straight yabo. Mina ngegama ke bangibiza uKatlego, abaningi bathi uNtariyana, mabangibone lokushini bathi Soweto, ngithi bafethu sigetho. Kodwa enchill bafethu, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below ukuthi Soweto yasithina sithini, masithi Soweto abantu bathi sigetho. So yabona ungakhohlwa amadlakazi because ngiyakwazi.
Ngicela uyisho ngesilungu.
Yabo.
Isho ngesilungu.
Hey,
Soweto
Sigethu.
Ngithe isho ngesilungu.
Soweto
Bengifuna
sigetho.
ukwazi ukuthi uthini.
Awu,
Okay, yeah, Soweto sigethu. Phela
Soweto sigetho bafethu.
Soweto we get.
Soweto sigetho. Get up, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Nice.